Hey everybody, once again it's Ceyron with Lowly Termite and Pest Control here. We're going to be just doing a video showing me going after a bald-faced hornet's nest. The customer gave us a call. Her husband was, she said that he was in the backyard trying to cut some grass, and he stumbled upon this huge bald-faced hornet's nest, which you can see here in the video. And you know, these guys, they're really aggressive. You have to be really careful, really safe around bald-faced hornets when you're treating them. Yeah, because any little vibration, anything like that near the nest, and all of a sudden you've got a whole swarm attacking you. So yeah, so this is just a video of me removing it. I just wanted to show you guys how you know, how this process works or can work. There's like so many ways you can remove a hornet's nest, but here's the way that we chose to remove this one. I removed them in, like, you know, different ways, you know, in different videos, which you'll probably see. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. Boom, there it is, bald-faced hornet's nest. Yeah, so these guys, they pick your yard because it's a nice shaded area, shaded from the predators, shaded from the elements, right? Wind, rain, you know, it's not going to, you know, blow away. So that's a really good spot for the queen to really start her new colony in the springtime. Plus, usually if there's like some water or food source around, smaller insects, anything sweet. So they'll build their nest there. All right, so here's me. You know, I put that dust that you see there. It is a tempo dust. It's not like a drying agent, but basically it kills them on contact, right? It's a contact insecticide, and so it affects their you know, their normal body functions. Typically, what we would do is let it sit for a while, but the customer was like, "I want this out of here today," so I said, "Okay, fine." And you didn't see that cut in the video, but anyway, yeah, they're going crazy, as you can see. You know, flying all around. Unbeknownst to the many, they have a venom that they like squirt out, and so that venom is like, you know, it really bothers you, you know, so you want to make sure you wear like something protective, or definitely want to have a bee suit on. And then now what I'm doing is I'm applying a residual insecticide that's going to stay around a little bit longer, so all those workers that are not there right now, that are coming back to the nest, hey, what's going on? So they don't build a new one there in the area, right? And then this part is me just kind of like trying to clean up, get some of that cellulose, some of that nesting material off of there. Yeah, to make sure that, you know, it looks like nice and clean, and then boom, it's totally gone. That's the kind of like final shot. All right, so yeah, Lowly Pest Control, if you got a problem you think that we can help you with, hornets, wasp nests, whatever the case may be. We do termites. Termites is in the name. But yeah, just give us a call here at Loyalty, where we like to say we make pest our problem and not yours. And thank you so much for watching the video. And please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be getting new videos coming out to you as soon as we can, as soon as I can. All right. And thanks again, and have a great day, and make sure your day is pest free.